Last week on Losing It, the wait is over.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
I'm gonna worry about them. Motivation.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what to expect.
Ready!
I'm here at Fit Farm to get fit. You know, and I'm here at Losing It to lose it.
The planking was harder.
Oh my God. Should I give them a Miss Jamaica walk?
60 pound walking? Come on, it's too much.
All right, so guys, the results from the fit test shows that you're all fit and ready to go. I'm excited about that.
The smiles may not be too bright for much longer. It's time for the contestants to face their very first challenge. They learn about proper nutrition, and we see if all the hard work they put in has paid off in our cash per pound weighing.
All right, blue team, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not sure like I'm ready at all.
Me ready.
All right, we're going to work some upper body today. All right, we're going to work some upper body. We just kill out the legs them a while ago. So
Yeah.
come over here. Big Pop, start over here, sir.
All right, working out at the gym. But left out and me had some bad 4:30. So we make sure nobody does me for the gym. So nobody know if me come gym. Be 5 o'clock, 5:30 me reach gym.
He's not pushing at the same intensity, but he's doing good. Because it's been what, about 6 years? It's been a while. No?
1, 2, 3.
Well, that was a struggle for the workout because I gave her a program, and that program is an intermediate program because I didn't go too easy or too hard with her. The program is mostly upper body because I realized she have a lot of most of her weight is in her upper body, her chest and her arms and her back.
Anissa, just follow my program, follow what I tell you to do, and the key is listening. You know, we think we know what's best for our bodies, but they're trainers for a reason.
Keep your hands straight.
You wait until we work out the whole life.
Come on, man, I use the weight light. This year I have to be pushing him. There's time when we give him the workout and we can't build a big pop a ball. Sometimes I say, yo, you can't manage. Even though I push you and do it. 2 more. 1 more. All right, good.
Big Pop was hostile. Let's just get that out of the way. He was hot. Do you see how hard he was pushing me? It was hard. The tire pushes was hard.
I don't really know what current call X styles.
I wanted to knock him over with the tire, but I'm a Christian, so I couldn't do that. But yeah, that's how I felt.
Well, when I saw how Big Pop was going rough with Karen, especially with the tire, I said, okay. I mean, you're ready for work now, Big Pop. You're ready for work. So I was switched up. So I do the workout with him. I make him feel how it feel when he's going hard with her.
Well, Shaban, you know that Shaban is a man with a whole heap of strength. So pushing the tire with Shaban, it was fun.
Step back. Come on.